this is your PHS News Today for Wednesday, February 6th. Come audition for Footloose. You don't have to be an amazing dancer to audition. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be in this year's spring play. Auditions are after school this Thursday. Club Picture Day has been rescheduled for tomorrow during morning classes. Please take a look at the list and plan to attend all photos for groups you're a member of. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to paoli@k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Where Wednesday. We will show you a location. You have to tell us where it is. Here's the video. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Any high school girls interested in girls track needs to stop by room 303 for a schedule. And now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Last night, boys JV basketball lost to Salem and varsity won. Back to you, Joni.
Congratulations to 8th grader Josh Barnett for winning the statewide Learn More Indiana essay contest. He earned $529 towards a college savings account. PHS also won a $1,000 grant. We are one of the 10 schools in Indiana to win this. This money will go towards college and career fair. Thank you to all the students who have participated. And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
So as we go through today into tomorrow night, we could see some heavy rain as we go out throughout your day and going into tomorrow. For your weather today, we have a high of 62 and a low of 54, heading through your week on Wednesday. We have a high of 61 and a low of 57, and on Thursday a high of 64 and a low of 20. Back to you.
Congratulations to Hallie Graves for winning today's trivia question. The answer was Mr. Dimmer's room. Stay tuned for more trivia tomorrow. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.